To factory reset a Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, you have to start by opening the settings, scroll all the way down. And by the way, I just forgot to mention, we got like two options. You can do this by using this general management settings or by using the recovery mode. If you are interested with the recovery mode, then I'm going to show you how to do this in the another video. So now just go for the reset, scroll all the way down and select factory data reset. Wait for this checking a few things. There is the information, what it's gonna do. So it's gonna remove like everything, even files on your SD card. Also short information that you are currently signed into this following accounts and following apps will be installed. So basically everything will be like completely removed from this smartphone. You will have to click on the reset button. You will have to input your screen lock. And now if you are sure that you want to do this, click to delete all. And I just forgot to mention, it will be good if you have above like 20% of the battery, because it will actually drain battery a little bit. And after that, when the reset will be complete, the phone will turn on with a new first setup screen.